Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Garden seating living is more than just placing a chair in the grass. It is a design philosophy that treats your outdoor space as a functional extension of your indoor home. It refers to the intentional creation of a room without walls, where the comfort of a living room meets the freshness of nature. This concept focuses on high-quality, weather-resistant furniture, intentional layouts that encourage conversation, and the integration of landscaping to create a sense of enclosure and privacy. Essentially, garden seating living is about blurring the lines between architecture and nature to foster a lifestyle centered on outdoor relaxation and social connection. The benefits of establishing a garden seating area are profound, impacting both your physical health and your mental well-being. Spending time in a dedicated outdoor living space has been shown to lower cortisol levels and reduce stress, providing a much-needed escape from the digital world. Beyond personal wellness, these spaces serve as the perfect hub for social interaction, allowing you to host dinners, morning coffees, or evening gatherings in a breathable, open environment. From a practical standpoint, a well-designed garden seating area significantly increases the usable square footage of your property and boosts its market value. It encourages a more active lifestyle by making the great outdoors feel accessible and comfortable, ensuring that your garden becomes a lived-in part of your home rather than just a view from the window. To make your garden seating area look truly beautiful, you should approach it with the same eye for detail you use for your interior decor. Start by defining the space with a foundation, such as a stylish outdoor rug or a distinct patio material like natural stone or timber decking. Layering is key to achieving a designer look. Use weather-resistant throw pillows, plush cushions, and textured blankets to add warmth and softness to hard furniture. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating ambience, so consider a mix of overhead string lights, solar lanterns, and even low-level LED path lights to make the space glow after sunset. Don't forget the functional accents. A sleek coffee table, decorative trays, and perhaps a fire pit can serve as a stunning focal point. By maintaining a consistent color palette that complements both your home's exterior and the surrounding greenery, you create a cohesive and inviting sanctuary. Choosing the right plants is essential for creating an immersive living feel, while ensuring the space remains low maintenance and comfortable. Fragrant plants are a top choice for seating areas, as varieties like lavender, jasmine, and gardenia provide a natural aromatherapy experience as you relax. To create a sense of privacy in walls, consider tall, structural plants or hedging. The Erica palm is excellent for a tropical feel, while tall grasses or bamboo can provide a modern, whispering screen. For visual interest near eye level, potted evergreens like boxwood or ornamental trees like the olive tree add a timeless, sophisticated touch. If you have a pergola or wall nearby, climbing plants like clematis or wisteria can create a lush, overhead canopy. Finally, incorporating low-growing ground covers or herbs like rosemary around the seating perimeter not only looks beautiful, but also releases pleasant scents whenever they are brushed against. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here are the collection of the top 10 best small patio garden design ideas to spark your creativity. One, the Mediterranean Courtyard Retreat. This design features a bright, sun-drenched nook characterized by crisp white walls and built-in masonry seating. The space is softened with a neutral color palette of cream cushions and gray accents, while a large olive tree and climbing vines provide a touch of organic greenery. A circular mirror on the wall reflects light and creates the illusion of more space, making it a perfect inspiration for small, enclosed gardens. 2. modern minimalist multi-level planters. Focusing on clean lines and structural integrity, this idea uses sleek gray raised planters to frame a warm timber corner bench. The contrast between the cool concrete look walls and the rich wood tones creates a sophisticated architectural vibe. The planting is deliberate and architectural, using vertical grasses and manicured shrubs to maintain a tidy, contemporary aesthetic. 3. The sunken fire pit lounge. This cozy setup utilizes a sunken level to create an intimate atmosphere, centered around a modern black fire pit. Bright yellow accent pillows pop against the neutral stone seating, while a horizontal timber fence provides a warm, private backdrop. This design is perfect for those who want to enjoy their garden late into the autumn evenings. 4. The elevated circular deck. A brilliant way to create a focal point in a large lawn is with a dedicated circular wooden platform. This design features contemporary wicker armchairs and a matching ottoman, positioned to overlook the lush garden. The surrounding landscaping is a mix of manicured lawn and dense, layered shrubbery, offering a perfect balance between open space and cozy seclusion. 5. Tropical gravel oasis. This idea replaces traditional grass with textured pea gravel, creating a Mediterranean or desert-inspired base. A L-shaped white brick bench with a timber top provides ample seating, adorned with vibrant blue patterned cushions. The backdrop of tall, spiky foliage and dense evergreens gives the space a private, exotic resort feel, complete with stylish lanterns for evening use. 6. The living wall sanctuary. Transforming a small patio into a lush hideaway, this design utilizes a massive vertical garden as a backdrop. Woven wicker chairs provide a tactile, natural texture that complements the stone tiling. The use of large terracotta pots filled with tall foxgloves and greenery adds a sense of height and enclosure, proving that even a brick-walled corner can become a green paradise. 7. Bold stripes and timber textures. This design makes a statement with high-contrast, black and white striped bolsters on a deep-toned timber wraparound bench. A pergola structure overhead provides architectural interest, while the surrounding garden is filled with textured silver-green foliage and vibrant red bottlebrush flowers. It's a masterclass in using bold patterns to define an outdoor living zone. 8. The Japanese-inspired Zen garden. Peace and order define this space, which features a manicured Japanese maple as a central focal point. The design uses geometric boxwood hedges to create rooms and paths, while a simple floating timber bench offers a place for quiet reflection. The inclusion of glass partitions and metal grating adds a unique, modern industrial twist to the traditional Zen aesthetic. 9. The alfresco living room. This setup perfectly mimics an indoor living room with a large wooden coffee table, an outdoor rug, and comfortable white sofa seating. Surrounded by a dark horizontal slat fence and overhanging trees, the space feels incredibly private. Details like a French press, fruit platters, and woven baskets make it clear that this is a space meant for long, lingering afternoons. 10. The formal estate lawn. For those with a larger footprint, this design features a perfectly manicured lawn with a symmetrical furniture arrangement at the far end. A modern gray outdoor sofa set is framed by 4 identical square-trimmed hedges containing small trees, creating a sense of grand formality. This look is elegant, balanced, and provides a stunning view of the entire property. Creating a garden seating living area is about more than just aesthetics. It is about reclaiming your outdoor space and making it a vital part of your daily life. Whether you have a small balcony or a sprawling lawn, the principles of comfort, layering, and greenery can transform any patch of land into a personal sanctuary. We hope these ideas have inspired you to look at your garden with fresh eyes and start building a space where memories are made and stress is left at the door. If you found these garden designs inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more outdoor living tips every week. Which of our top 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're planning to transform your garden.